The world has changed. Businesses are facing unique circumstances, compounded by supply chain disruptions and a rapidly changing climate. This unpredictability leads to unquantified losses for the insurers trying to support them. Now, more than ever, intelligent, real-time risk management is needed. But current solutions are disconnected. Each one gives a piece of the puzzle, but businesses and insurers are left trying to connect the dots, trying to understand the risks they need to manage or underwrite. What's needed is the whole picture. The solution is KnowRisk. KnowRisk takes insurance data, combines it with over 300 external datasets, plus contractual data from a company and its suppliers, and finally audit data to paint the complete picture. The KnowRisk platform is an initiative started by the UK government's Industrial Strategy Challenge Fund and is backed and funded by Innovate UK. 27 million has been invested so far, with over 80 people working on the project. The platform is being built by a consortium and already has 6 partners. This approach ensures deep expertise across the board, such as the development of the risk management systems for 6 leading UK insurers, technology and data from NASA and the European Space Agency, as well as funding from ESSA and the Copernicus programme. Over 300 datasets are integrated, including NatCat, site and socioeconomic data. We have 25 years' experience digitising transactions in the world's largest supply chains, providing insight into the identity of parties, the rights and obligations they each have, and the risks and mitigations associated with each right and obligation in a contract. This is tracked with the company's own internal data, covering orders, fulfillment, inventory, and supply chain. Finally, one of the partners is itself a cross-industry initiative started by KPMG, backed and funded by the Institute of Chartered Accountants, and now supported by 13 leading audit firms, including the Big Four. Audit provides the financial insight one would expect, but 40 to 50% of an audit is focused on risk, including business interruption risk, partner risk, contract risk, property and plant assets, inventory assets, and workforce assets. By combining these 4 things, we can create a digital representation, a digital twin, of the risk factors businesses face, helping them understand the risks associated with their property, equipment, inventory, staff, the internal business processes related to the delivery of a contract, and the end-to-end supply chain. For insurers and brokers, this gives you better insight into your customers, knowledge that will help you build stronger relationships as you work together to avoid risks. Finally, the platform helps you grow your business through new insurance products and new insurance markets built through existing supply chain networks. We are currently piloting this technology in food and drink, construction, and commercial property, and we're looking to engage partners to pilot in new sectors. So, how does this work in practice? Let's look at our customers in US construction. To Build is making modular homes for the California market. It's a growing consortium of companies that will build $300 million of homes a year by 2023. Phase 1 is the construction of the modular home factory. To Build is using KnowRisk to measure and manage their risks in real time, and their biggest risk in Phase 1 is project completion delays. Each month of delay will cost them $24 million. To Build predicts that KnowRisk will help them reduce these delays by at least 50%. First, any sites with risk surveys have that data digitised using the latest AI and NLP turning them into easy-to-use dashboards. Risk survey data is then enriched with geospatial data. KnowRisk provides a highly detailed understanding of the natural risks businesses face, providing a detailed breakdown of the construction, condition, and the environment of sites, analysis of the risk exposures they face, and the ability to monitor the sites in near real time. This is then further enhanced with over 300 additional data sources. On average, however, only 5% of sites have risk surveys. KnowRisk builds a digital twin for 100% of sites using external data sources. We then pre-populate a risk survey with its external data and provide businesses with an online survey tool to answer any remaining questions. The risk factors of internal business processes related to the delivery of contracts are then broken down into fine detail. As contracts cover the transactions between businesses, we build up an equally detailed real-time understanding of the problems in the end-to-end supply chain. KnowRisk helps align the needs of businesses and insurers. For to build, each month of delay costs $24 million. A 4-month delay has a total potential loss of $96 million. KnowRisk shows how mitigation strategies could reduce this, reducing the accepted risk. Avoidance strategies reduce it further, and insurance further still. Different strategies can be developed with higher risk profiles or lower ones, and the return of investment of different strategies can be compared. For example, the mitigation, avoidance and insurance strategies for this level of accepted risk would cost $3 million. But what if the number of mitigations were reduced and the level of insurance increased? What if they massively increased the number of mitigations? KnowRisk's detailed data will ensure that insurers can right-size risk pricing and reserves regardless of the strategy their customer chooses. Lloyd's Lab has been an incredible experience, and we've had fantastic mentors who have given us real support to understand how KnowRisk can help businesses and insurers alike. We've been able to validate our approach, have started testing the digital twins, and have started to understand how we can integrate insurance into the platform to help support our customers through traditional insurance products, parametric and event-triggered insurance, as well as framework-level insurance. If you would like to know how KnowRisk can help your business, get in touch to run your data through the platform, or sign up to the insurance pilots and help support our customers and grow your business.